throw it. Oh! You gotta go like this. You can practice by going up and then catch it. See? Throw it up and then catch it.
My turn.
You try it. Oh, there you go. Now, really keep your eye on the ball. Oh, go get it. Oh, try and catch it before it hits the ground.
Catch it!
Oh.
Gotta go straight up.
I gotta get back here and mow this week too.
Oh,
This
Yeah.
stuff, I can't believe this stuff's growing up so much. But it's in the shade all day, I guess.
see, you gotta just practice throwing it up.
I'll punch you right there.
Oh, I missed it.
Oh, you're videotaping, aren't you?
Yeah, look stupid, look stupid, look stupid.
Oh!
Got it on videotape, so police know who did it.
You gotta turn it on as well, yeah.
I gotta play this. Pop's gotta hit one of these. Keep your eye on the ball. Whoa!
Oh!
Get out there, I'll hit you one. Go out there, I'll hit you one. You catch it. Stand out there. I'm
He's
hit
gonna
the
do
ball
the
to
3
you.
balls.
Uh-oh.
Okay, here it comes.
Oh!
Screwed. Here it comes, buddy. You ready?
You gonna catch it? Oh! Oh, it's not your turn yet?
Here you go, Georgie.
Oh!
I almost got Georgie for good.
Yeah. You're kind of like, whoa, what the
He's using his butt as a target.
Okay, your turn.
He's like, yeah, I'm gonna try to hit it at Georgia now.
Yeah, great.
You can blame your dad for that.
Oh, so close. Okay, you hit one to me. Hit me a hard one. Come on, hit it here. 2 hands, 2 hands.
2 hands,
Like
baby.
this, buddy. Come on. Like this. Hold on. 2 hands. Here. Like this. Hold on like this. There you go. Like that. There you go. Swing. There you go. Nice one.
Uh-oh. Whoa, let's try that again.
Hey, better,
There you go.
better. Keep your eye on the ball. Come on, better.
Oh!
Oh,
Hey, better.
Oh!
oh.
Wrong way.
My turn. All right, you stand up and I'll hit you a couple.